In my opinion, setting smart financial goals is essential to achieving financial stability and success. Here's an easy step-by-step guide to consider. Step 1, define your financial goals. Begin by clearly defining what you want to achieve with your money. Is it buying a new home, saving for retirement, or building an emergency fund? Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, specify the amount you want to save and what it's for. This clarity will give you direction and purpose. Step 2, classify your goals. Categorize your goals into short-term, less than a year, medium-term, 1 to 5 years, and long-term, more than 5 years. This will help you prioritize and create a timeline for achieving them. Step 3, use the SMART criteria. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. For example, aiming to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in 3 years is a SMART goal. Step 4, create a budget. A budget is your financial blueprint. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. This will help you find areas to cut back and save more for your goals. Step 5, plan for obstacles. Anticipate potential barriers to reaching your goals, such as unexpected expenses or economic downturns, and plan for them. This might mean building a larger emergency fund or adjusting your timeline. Step 6, monitor your progress. Consistently review your goals and your progress towards them. This will keep you motivated and allow you to make necessary adjustments to your plan. Number 7, celebrate milestones. Recognize and celebrate when you reach milestones. This positive reinforcement will encourage you to keep pushing towards your ultimate financial objectives. Step 8, be flexible. Be willing to adapt your goals as your life circumstances change. Flexibility can be the key to long-term financial success. By following this step-by-step guide, you can create a solid framework for setting and achieving your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. And every small step counts towards reaching your destination. If you want to talk more about the steps for your plan, click this link. Let's find a time to talk.